Okay. Ready?
Sure.
Okay. Yes, can you tell me who you are?
Sure, I'm Sharon Sherman, and I'm a professor here at the College of New Jersey.
And what do you teach?
I teach math, science, and technology education in the Department of Elementary and Early Childhood Education.
And did you vote today?
Yes, I did. I voted right early in the morning when the polls opened.
And where did you vote?
I voted in Hopewell,
Uh-huh.
and it was crowded. I waited online. I was teaching an 8:30 class, and I was online for quite a while, but I made it.
Okay. And you want to share who you voted for?
Sure, I voted for Obama and Biden.
Okay. And you seem pretty excited, are you?
Very excited.
Uh-huh.
Very excited. And I'm excited with the results that I'm seeing come in, and I hope that when the polls close, we have a change in the United States. Because, can I tell you why?
Yes.
Okay. Because I think right now, unless we have some administration that makes some major changes in education and also in energy, we won't be responsibly looking at the future for our children, our grandchildren, our students, and that's why I believe in that administration.
Okay. Thank you.